This is the magnetizer and the demagnetizer. It has two holes. One is magnetize and the other is demagnetize. When a screwdriver, the head has no magnetic power. Insert the head to the magnetize hole, back and forth for a few seconds. Now, it can be quickly magnetized. When you want to demagnetize the head, you can put the screwdriver head into the demagnetizer hole, back and forth for a few seconds. The magnetic force will disappear. So as to the helix bolt. First, magnetize. Then demagnetize. It's very easy and very useful.